you're looking for a quick, easy job to get while also being in the IT field, you've come to the right place. Yo, what's up everyone, it's CyberNoob, and today we're going to be talking about the A+ certification. Why do you want to get it, and how to study for it. The A+ certification is your basic entry-level IT certification that tests your ability to, fix computers. What a certification proves to your employer is that you actually know your stuff. A lot of jobs require these certs before they even hire you and are especially useful if you're doing any government work. This includes the DoD, DHS, the NSA, the OMG, the ROFL, the LMFAOO space : left parentheses. Jokes aside, the A+ certification is run through an organization called CompTIA and is a really good entry-level certification. You can take the exam online or in person at a local testing center by registering online. The link's in the description. So the A+ certification will test your ability on being able to troubleshoot hardware and software issues. Basically, you have to know about how to take apart a computer, fix it up, and all that jazz. If you're looking for anything relating to a Tier 1 opportunity such as a Geek Squad technician, help desk for any company, or a micro center techie, these kind of jobs typically pay between $10 and $25 an hour. So if you want to be this guy, you might as well start paying attention. So now onto the juicy stuff. The first exam is 90 questions and you have to pass with at least a 675 out of 900. And the second exam is also 90 questions with a passing score of at least 700 out of 900. But these exams are not scaled proportionally to their questions because they do have some free response questions, some simulation questions, and multiple choice questions. And each of these questions are scaled. So how do you study for it? Good news is that there are plenty of online resources. And for those of you who like to read,
I was elected to lead, not to read. Number 3.
Here is a pretty good book by Daryl Gibson. You can find it on Amazon, link down below. Not sponsored. Not sponsored. And for those of you who are visual and auditory learners, Professor Messer has excellent videos online. I linked a Google Drive study guide down below that I found off of Reddit. There is also a Quizlet link down below as well. You guys can go and check that out. I know I personally like to understand and go through all the material beforehand before I start hitting the study guides and practice tests. So ideally you'd probably want to go through the Professor Messer videos first, then start going through the study guide, and then I also have a link down below for practice questions and practice tests that you guys can take at your own pace. So you have to understand, if you're coming from a different background, it will be a steep learning curve. But the thing I love about technology is that everything ties back into each other. What you learn from A+ will carry over to Network+, and what you learn in Network+ will carry over to your job, and so on and so on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I created the jokes, content, and everything. And stay tuned weekly for more videos about cybersecurity, and let me know down in the comment section below about what I should talk about next. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to help us grow the channel. Thank you everyone.